Oh, look at that. Big Hayabusa day today, baby.
We'll get her warmed up, get her off the trailer, and we'll see how she goes. Oh mate, you gotta watch our YouTube.
I don't even know what it's called.
Oh, Bad Fab. Alright. Dylan's plugging her in, getting her ready. We're back at the beach today. Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. Dylan has done a little bit of playing over the last week and we have acquired ourselves a new fuel pump.
Yep, that was the fuel pump.
It was.
I'd like to believe so, because then today will go well.
Yeah. So Dylan has done the fabulous job of putting this weapon right there.
It costs $2 more.
It costs $2 more than the last one, so surely it works. Surely. And then yeah, so now she's pushing fuel and not sucking it. So today should go a lot better.
Yeah, I'd like to believe so.
Surely. But yeah, we'll get her warmed up, we'll get her off the trailer, and we'll see how she goes. There we go. Alright.
This is third time's charm.
Third time's charm. I'm going to hit it right now.
You're right with the fuel pump. It was that in the end.
It was the fuel pump. So we're going to go for a little test lap, make sure she's good, and then I suppose rip it.
That's the idea.
Yeah, sweet.
Some drag race with your Civic?
Yeah, if
it works.
Yeah.
Rush won't be seeing this video.
Alright.
So that should be first gear.
The clutch is so...
Oh, handbrake. Oh. Let's try that again.
Right, now we're off. No, second. We're in second.
Ready? Put the pin down here. Yeah, that's going good. Oh, that's not going good.
That's not going good.
Oh no.
Check the fuel pressure. It's not even got...
That didn't sound like it's going.
Oh, hang on. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, boy! Yes! That was the fucking best so far.
I just wanted to thrash it so it would drive.
Yeah, surely. What the
Feel like just human sake.
batteries kaput?
Alright, that's alright. No, never mind. I had a moment. Try again. Jump in. Wait. Up. Okay.
That's first, that's second.
Is that second?
Wait,
Can't remember.
yeah, because first is...
There we go.
Is it low on fuel and as you're sloshing sideways it's picking up air?
Maybe.
Should we put some fuel in it?
Yeah, I got more fuel, so
Yeah.
it's worth a shot. Fuel.
Alright. Fuel. Fuel. We're hoping that's the issue. It's always the easy option, eh?
Yeah. Start with the easy option. Okay.
Alright, third time's a charm.
I'm gonna go line up over there and see if we can do it in straight lining.
Okay.
So first should be down, because that's the wrong way around to start off with. The right way, wrong way. Oh, that's way better.
Way better.
Ready?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, that's what we wanted.
Ready?
Yeah, mate.
Oh, that's the first gear. So first should be that one.
No,
No.
it's first.
Another one.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a grip up, so we'll do it.
Do like half. Are you full throttle or?
Yeah.
Oh, go maybe try half. Or like when it gets to limmy, try and like get it to grip up, maybe.
And then up the
Yeah.
second.
Yeah. Yeah, that was way better. Yeah. This is fucking on. It was fuel.
Exploded.
Yeah. Knock on wood.
I like when pull that handbrake.
Oh, I think we're getting a bit too excited.
Yeah. Something went pop.
Yeah.
And that was fun though. Right, we'll go heavy nose then.
Yeah, we'll
Something went pop.
Yeah, something went not happy.
Hopefully it was just a little fuel pop.
Yeah. Oh, mate.
Brother!
Yeah, bro. 43, mate. Still on 43.
Yes!
No,
Yes.
axle didn't let go. A little bit wobbly.
Nothing out of the ordinary.
Nah, axles are still good. I wonder if the chain jumped
Well, how tight is it?
loose. It's come loose.
Oh.
It's way looser than what it was.
It was high as fuck this morning.
Yeah.
I made sure to double check.
Yeah, it's loose now. But that could.
First gear, so it might have stretched down.
Yeah. It's not loose as, but it's like
You shouldn't be able to wiggle like
Nah.
that. But it was morning.
nah. But
Okay,
yeah,
so I probably skipped it too.
maybe yeah. Because I mean that was third on the spot with the handbrake up. Yeah.
I went first again.
Yeah.
And then you let it off in second.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah. Yes. What you call
A great success.
versus Corolla.
I'm excited. This
No,
is
no.
sick. It's working.
Well,
it's running.
Yeah, I think we'll drag race it.
Oh, mean.
See how good it actually is. But I feel like this is just gonna spin the whole.
Tried. That was half throttle.
Yeah.
I'm spinning. I thought it would have one wheel peeled the whole way. Oh, look at no.
And it's
All the way.
That's awesome. And look, it's still running.
It actually runs.
It actually runs.
Wow. Great success. Great success. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's sick. Oh wait, I'm going up gears. Shit. Remembering how to drive this thing.
Yeah.
I'll get a rolling one this time. Three, two, one, go. Oh no!
Oh. Did you want me to get a view from my car?
Yeah, mate.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I can get a view from your car, we'll see how it goes. Don't crash into me, please.
Yeah, you're all good.
Where can you ever go?
Yeah. Sweet.
So one more drag race?
Yeah.
I think I learned how to launch it unforgivingly, but it will slip. So maybe just a little slow launch for me.
Yeah, sweet, yeah.
When you're ready, mate?
Yeah.
I'll call up 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
3, 2, wait. I'm the first. 3, 2, 1. That was so unforgiving. I just dumped the clutch that time. No gears. I was also facing the wheel towards you, which is not a good idea. Ready for another one? Yeah, mate. Hey, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, mate. Go hard. Just dump the clutch. Oh. Downs first. Yeah. Me. Oh, she's running out of gas. She ain't got no gas in her. She ain't got no gas, mate. I just on that last drag race, she started to get hiccup a little bit. So like, I think if you cruise, she'll be alright. But as soon as you start thrashing it, it's just sloppy. Yeah, I think it needs a surge tank or something, eh?
But it still reckons it's got half a tank.
I think half a tank's just not even enough for it, potentially. I think because it's literally that little pickup. I think because looking in, it's literally just one brake line dunked in the middle of the tank. I think it's quite literally just sloshing away from if there's any less than half a tank. So I'd like to say we're just gonna like put a little surge tank in it or make a little something in the fuel tank to slosh. Stop the slosh. Yeah, I'll give it a go. Just humour. Give it a go. She's definitely got fuel slosh action going. Just give it a like limmy bash right now. Yeah, I think it's fuel slosh. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Yeah, mate, line out the trailer. That's a fucking great success. We're on the trailer and we've got a video. Look at that, Britton.
Yeah, we're done. She's done.
She runs, she drives.
Yeah.
We know the next problem, it's not a biggie.
No, it's the easiest fix in the world. It's called putting more fuel in it.
I was going to say the surge tank. Yeah, I mean, if the tank's not full,
then it can't surge.
Yeah.
There's no surge to be had if it's full, so
Oh, how
that's
good.
the plan. That's the plan.
Yeah.
And so now that we know it actually goes, I don't actually feel too worried about putting a whole tank of gas in it.
No, there's no.
Because now it's not like, oh, we just got a whole tank of gas in there that we've got to siphon out of a car that doesn't work.
Yeah. And
Now it works.
yeah, and I was dumping that clutch. I know we're on sand, but like the chain didn't break, the axles are holding together. I was worried about that.
Second and third wheel spins.
That's fun.
It's just loosened the chain off a
Oh,
tiny little bit.
Yeah. So no biggie. It's a brand new chain, so as to be expected.
Yeah. And yeah, axles are still there.
Yeah. I like it. Now we can start refining this, making it a track weapon. That's the goal.
A grass skid weapon.
Yeah.
Well, track
dominate
weapon.
grass skids.
Track weapon. So yeah.
Oh, hope you guys enjoyed. That was
Yeah.
a fucking blast.
Yeah, well I had fun. I'm pretty sure he had
Yeah.
fun. So yeah.
My heart's still pumping.
Everyone at the beach was like, what is that? So yeah. Pretty sure they all had fun too. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. She's fucking on chat. She's on chat. We're on chat.